It is Monday, June, hold on, August 9th. It's August 9th. There is no quest. There's no quest at all this week for me. At least it didn't show anything on the app. And in other words, if I make 60 trips or I bust my butt making trips to, this week, I get absolutely nothing. All right. This week is going to be a good week. Let's see if I can make 2,000 a week without no quest, just by doing just regular driving or maybe some deliveries or something, or using my other strategies, which is picking up rides on the zone, do the 3 consecutive trips. Let's see if I can make it with doing those and still make it 300 a day. All right, let's do this. Let's make this money. All right, it is 10:17, but I finished more like 10 o'clock. I finished the day off with 291, and earlier today, you know, I didn't record it, but just didn't feel like it. I did 122 halfway in, and then today there was the promo, not the promos, the consecutive trips. I hit those like twice, you know, every single one of them. So that's what ended up me getting up to 291. So for today, 291 with a no quest, and actually I ended up doing 33 trips. The trips were really short. They were back and forth. It was really slow, but still I made 291. All right, let's see what we make tomorrow, Tuesday. Let's make this money. 8:04 is Tuesday. Tomorrow was a 291 day, almost 3. Today there are some I think there was like a 11. I think there's an 11 to 12. Again, it happened again. Uber took the thing off, the consecutive request, the consecutive trip. It took it off, so it was there this morning when I last night. But when I checked it, and then now I'm checking it again, it's not there no more. So anyway, I think it's 11 to 12. 11 to 12, the consecutive trips, and I think there's a 5 to 6. All right, I'm gonna do those. Yesterday, the ones that I did helped me out a lot. Okay, and I'm gonna stick to the ones today. I'm gonna stick to the zone. I guess you want to call it in the zone strategy. All right, that's what we're gonna do. Let's make this money. 256, 132, 16 trips. I have got to say, it's been really slow. Like, I'll literally sit there for a little bit waiting for anything. I have everything on right now. Uber Eats, XL, whatever. Everything on my app is on. Okay. Yeah, it's been really slow, man, making me really nervous. But for today, 132, it is 257. All right, I'm charging right now, and let's see what we get for the rest of the day. Let's make this money. It is 9:32. I made a total of 291. And 31 trips. I think 31 trips. All right, almost a $300 day. But again, 291 for today. All right, let's see how much money we make tomorrow. I am telling you, it's slow. I've been like sitting around like doing nothing all day. I just sit there, I do nothing, just waiting for another call, and I still made 231. But that was a mixture in between ride sharing and food delivery. So I've had that app on all day. Everything has been on, and I still made 291. All right, see how much money we make tomorrow. Let's make this money. All right, it's 8:05 in the morning. All right, so today there is no quest and no consecutive trips. All right, let's see if we can make this 300 for the day. All right, let's make this money. All right, 128, 116, and or 111 or something like that, and 16 trips. All right, 128. Again, it's the same as yesterday. Really slow, but I'm working through it. All right, let's make this money. Let's see if I can make this 300 again. All right, 942, 271, 32 trips. A lot of local trips, really short trips, going back and forth. All right, but still didn't make my 3 today. Charging, about to go home, pull it in. All right, let's see how much money we make tomorrow. Let's make this money. All right, it is, hold on, What time is 7:49? All right, 7:49. All right, Thursday. Let's make this money. Let's see if I can make 300 today. Usually Thursdays are better than Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesdays. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday have been horrible with no promos, nothing like that. But I work a lot of hours. So those days are usually my well, this week has been 8 o'clock in the morning and then straight 10 o'clock at night or 9. So I work a little more to try to reach my 300, but hey, that's the hustle. All right, but today let's do the same thing. Let's make this money. All right, it's 2:48 p.m. Made a total of 107. It's not a lot. Let's see what happens. Again, in the after 3 o'clock, it starts to pick up a little bit more. But I have been working a lot later, so with the bonus and stuff, it helps me get to my 300 a lot faster. So after I reach my 300, I can decide whether I want to work more or I want to work less. But right now, there's no bonuses and no consecutive trips. There's nothing, and I'm still gonna make 2,000 a week. Well, all right. Let's see what happens. All right, 248, 107 for today. I think it's like 16 trips. All right, let's make this money. 921, 263 with 32 trips. Wow, we're making a lot of trips lately. Yep, 263 again. Didn't reach my 300. Let's see how we do tomorrow, but let's make this money. I still got a bonus. There's a quest going on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, which I think is like 160 bucks. If I complete like 60 trips or something like that, I'm gonna go for that one. But yeah, 263, very slow week. But let's see what happens tomorrow. Let's make this money. It is 7:53. I got a quest today. 110 and 160. So if I make 60 trips, I make 110, and then if I make 70 trips, I make 170. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. All right, there's some good news. All right, let's do this quest. All right, let's do this quest. Let's make this money. All right, 209, made 133, and I think it's 14 trips. All right, good day today. Let's continue for the rest of the day. I still have that bonus going on for this weekend that I'm currently on. 60 trips, 110, and then 70. I think I'd make like 170. So let's make this money. All right, 7:45 in the morning. Nice day. There is a nice little consecutive trip going on from 10 to 11. No, from 9 to 11. 9 to. Dude, I'm gonna put it right there. And then a 46 later on tonight. So we're gonna do those. All right, let's make this money. 2:29 p.m. 131. I'm gonna put it right there. What is it? 13 trips. 13 trips. I did hit that 11 to something consecutive trip. All right, let's keep it going. 131 for the day. Let's go for that 300 and the quest also. So I'm gonna probably finish the quest today with the 110, and then maybe finish 10 more tomorrow. Let's see how it goes. Let's make this money. All right, finish the day at 391 with 29 trips. Hit the quest, and then tomorrow I might do 10 more. So 391, pretty good day. Maybe the end of the week, maybe not. We'll see. We'll see what happens tomorrow. If not, all right. It was a good week. All right. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Let's make this money.